Good morning. How are you? I hope you are all well. Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Dwi Chayani and my last ID number is 091. I am from PA class 24 and in this video I will present the modern exam assessment of learning theory with the topic is behavior learning theory. What do you think about behavioristic learning theory? The definition of behavioristic learning theory is behavioristic learning theory is an approach in psychology that emphasizes that learning occurs through the interaction of stimulus and response. This theory focuses on observable change in behavior and ignores internal aspects such as thought or emotion. Behavior learning theory views that learning is a process of change in behavior as a result of the interaction between stimulus and response. This theory prioritizes measurement because measurement is an important thing to see whether or not there is a change in behavior. Edward Rithordic, with this theory of connection, states that learning is the process of forming connection between stimulus and response. Learning, according to Edward Rithordic, is the formation of as many as a thought, practice, and repetition with the principle of trial and error. As for B.F. Skinner with operation condition, theory states that the most important element in learning is reinforcement. That is knowledge formed through stimulus response. Bonds will be stronger if given reinforcement. This reinforcement can be in the form of positive reinforcement and negative reinforcement. The application of behavioristic learning theory in learning studies children requires teacher to analyze the initial abilities and characteristics of children and then plan the learning material to be taught to children. The application of this theory can also be done by identifying learning objective, conducting learning analysis, identifying the characteristics and initial abilities of children. Determine indicator of learning success. Developing teaching materials, developing learning strategies that will be used, observing stimulus that might be given to children, such as exercise or text, observing and analyzing learning response, providing reinforcement both positive and negative reinforcement, and finally revising learning activities. Implementation behavioristic learning theory in the science. 1. Giving prize or prize to student who successful do something. With prize, student will be more excited and happy when doing something. Example, the teacher give compliments such as very good or you are great. To student who successful do the experiment correction. You can also give star or extra point for student who actively ask and answer question in the science lesson. 2. Removing unpleasant stimulus when students successfully active learning objective. This is a form of negative reinforcement. where something unpleasant is removed after the student demonstrates the desired behavior. Example, if students have completed a science lab assessment well, they are expected for additional assessment or given a longer break. 3. Providing consequence if students do not work or participate in learning. Explanation: punishment is given to reduce or elimination undesirable behavior, such as laziness or lack of focus in learning. Example: if students do not do assessment work, they are asked to do the work on the board or at their assessment. 4. Using game media to make learning more interactive and fun. Game-based learning makes students more active and motivated to learning science. Example: teacher use interactive quizzes or create science games such as puzzle or digital experiment stimulation to expand concepts such as force and energy. This approach helps students understand science in a more effective and fun way. That was my presentation of behavioristic learning theory material. Please forgive if there are words. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.